This looks like a movie scene, but here's the interesting part. Not a single camera was used. No CGI, no After Effects presets, no complex editing timeline. What most people don't realize is AI video has quietly crossed a line. Creators are no longer generating clips, they're directing scenes. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how that works, step by step. Stay till the end, because the final result doesn't look like AI anymore. Real cinema starts with a strong first frame, controlled motion, and intentional camera movement, all inside Higgsfield. I'm now inside the Create Video section. The first thing I do is click on the model selector on the left. From here, I choose Kling, then select Kling 2.6 Audio. This version is important because it allows cinematic motion and native audio generation. Now you can upload an image here or generate one directly. For this demo, I'm using a prepared image so I can control the scene more precisely. In the prompt box, I'm not writing a long story. I'm only describing the environment, the mood, and the emotional tone. Make sure audio is turned on. This allows Kling to generate ambient sound, scene atmosphere, and natural audio presence. Now I set the duration. I'm choosing 5 seconds. Now I click Generate. Watch closely. The motion is stable.
The city breathes tonight. The city breathes tonight.
The framing stays clean and the audio feels connected to the visuals. This is the moment where AI video stops feeling random, but motion alone isn't enough. Cinema always starts with a powerful first frame. Part 2, Nano Banana Pro. Now, there are 2 ways to open Nano Banana Pro. Method 1, from the home page, directly click Nano Banana Pro. Method 2, click on the menu, choose Image, and then click on Nano Banana Pro. Either way, this will open the main AI image generator. First, click on the model selector and make sure Nano Banana Pro is selected. Now type your image idea in the prompt box. A clean, ultra-modern 4K tech conference poster with perfectly readable, sharp text. Title, Global AI Future Summit 2025 in bold futuristic typography. Subtitle featuring Google Gemini 3 Pro Image Next Generation Precision. Event details align cleanly. Date, July 18, 2025, location San Francisco. Speakers, Dr. Maya Lin, Aaron Smith, Alina Park. Crisp layout with symmetrical spacing, neon blue highlights, black gradient background, glowing UI elements, and a crystal clear QR code at the bottom. Zero text distortions, no spelling errors, razor-sharp edges, perfect alignment, and professional poster composition, rendered in 4K ultra detail. Next, choose your aspect ratio like 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts, or Square for Instagram posts. Now click on Quality Settings and select 4K. After typing your prompt, simply click on Generate. The image will start processing in real time. Once the image is ready, you can now use this image for thumbnails, social media posters, or creative projects. Click on the Download button. Your 4K AI image will be saved directly to your device. And for chart, diagram, and infographic, I am using this prompt. You can find all prompts from the description link. This shows data-aware image generation with visual reasoning. Next, for product mockup and packaging, enter like this prompt. This is perfect for brand and packaging visuals. Now for portrait character consistency, I'm using this prompt. This is powerful for thumbnail and character consistency. Next, for an ultra-realistic human face, use this prompt. Look at the realism, skin details, lighting, and anatomy accuracy. For face swap, I'm also uploading these images and entering a prompt like this. This is a simple and clean single photo face swap. For cinematic scene face swap, I am uploading these 2 images and using this prompt. This is perfect for thumbnails and cinematic edits. And for a realistic jungle plus characters, animals, and a nano banana scene, I am using this prompt. This shows full scene understanding and cinematic storytelling. Now on the home page, you can see Cinema Studio right here. Just click here to open it. And this is the Cinema Studio dashboard. Every cinematic scene starts with one powerful frame. So first, we create the image. This is the exact prompt I'm using. I'll put all the prompts in the description so you can copy and use them exactly. Now I choose the camera, Arri Alexa 35, a cinematic lens, and a wide focal length for depth. This image becomes the first frame of the movie. Instead of AI guessing the scene, I lock the frame. Now watch what happens next. Now we move to the video section. This is where the magic really starts. First, I select my image as the first frame, and here's the exact video prompt. Time is frozen. The man remains completely still. Fire and smoke stay suspended. No character movement. Notice something important. I'm not describing camera movement here because movement is controlled here, not in text. Instead of telling AI what to do, I tell the camera what to do. Static, follow, zoom in, zoom out. That's why this looks like cinema, not AI. So I'm selecting static for now. Then I select settings like audio on, motion off for now, and choose how many shots I want. And finally, I hit generate. And just like that, your first movie shot is ready. Now let's add a talking scene. Here's the exact prompt I use. For camera movement, I'm choosing zoom in. I'm leaving all other settings the same. Then I hit generate, and your second shot is also ready. Again, I'll put all these prompts in the description. Slow motion isn't just visual, it changes how the scene feels. So in this shot, I turn slow motion on. For camera movement, I select camera follows. Then I enter the prompt and hit the generate button. That moment is looking like a real cinema shot. Again, the same thing. I follow the same process and hit generate. And this is the difference. Not text to video, not random AI clips. This is AI filmmaking, where you control the frame, the motion, and the camera like a real director. If you enjoyed this kind of deep, practical AI workflow, there's a lot more coming. I'll see you in the next one.